Today I'm going to show you how to make a basic, quick and easy chicken curry, ready and on the table in less than 30 minutes. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. We love a good curry in our house, and today I'm going to show you how to make a simple curry that anyone can prepare, and it's on the table in super quick time. We're going to start by heating 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a large frying pan over a medium to high heat. Now if you're serving this curry with rice, now's a good time to get that rice onto the boil. I'm serving this curry for 4 people, so I'm using 3 chicken breasts that have been cut into bite-sized pieces. If you want to serve it to more or fewer people, this recipe also scales really well. Now add the chicken to the pan. Cook for 5 minutes, turning occasionally until sealed. Add a diced onion to the pan and cook for 5 minutes, stirring until the onion starts to soften and becomes translucent. Next in goes 2 teaspoons of minced ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now we're going to layer up the flavours of this curry with some spices. I've got 2 tablespoons of mild curry powder here, but you can go hotter if you prefer. A tablespoon of ground coriander, half a tablespoon of ground cumin, a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, salt and pepper. Add that to the pan. Stir together and cook for a further minute. Now add in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, a 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of chopped tomatoes, 240 ml or a cup of chicken stock, and 400 gram or 14 ounce tin of full fat coconut milk. Bring that to a gentle bubble and then simmer gently, stirring occasionally for 10 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. After 10 minutes of cooking, check on the thickness of your curry, and if you'd like it to be a little bit thicker, you can stir in a cornflour slurry using 1 tablespoon of cornflour and 2 tablespoons of cold water mixed together. This is optional, you can leave it out if the thickness is to your liking. Once that chicken is cooked through, we want to stir in about 60 grams or 2 packed cups of baby spinach and then turn off the heat. Serve the curry with boiled rice, topped with fresh coriander or cilantro and chilli flakes if you want that extra kick of heat. And that's how you make a quick and easy chicken curry, a family favourite, perfect for any night of the week. Really hope you enjoyed that recipe. If you did, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new recipes. See you next time.